Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to get information about a specific topic from ChatGPT so you can satisfy your curiosity and expand your knowledge. So to get information about a topic, simply ask ChatGPT a question or provide a specific topic you want to learn more about. For example, you can ask, "Tell me about renewable energy," or "What are the benefits of meditation?" So let's try asking ChatGPT now. ChatGPT will then provide you with a detailed and informative response based on its vast database of knowledge. So you can ask a follow-up questions or explore related topics to dive even deeper into the subject. So whether you're studying, researching, or just want to learn something new, ChatGPT is your friendly and knowledgeable companion. And that's it. You now know how to get information about a specific topic from ChatGPT. It's a fantastic tool to quench your thirst for knowledge anytime, anywhere. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching this tutorial on how to get information about a specific topic from ChatGPT. Keep exploring, keep learning, and never stop being curious. The world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered, and ChatGPT is here to guide you on your learning journey. See you on my next video where we'll uncover even more amazing features together. Happy learning!